Wala sila?
They are there already.
Go!
May bangko.
Where is...
Welcome to my tour of my house.
Where are we?
We are in Piña, Pampanga, sa Pangbato.
Okay.
Okay. Here we have the Capri tree house.
Uy, tabi-tabi po.
Here we have the magnificent couch.
Not even a couch, bro.
And here we have the dining room.
Is it? Where?
Dining room.
Napabayaan.
And then down there we have our front yard. And that is our terrace. We are selling this house for $10 million. Please contact the number 0. Just kidding.
Go down.
Oh no. Here we have the second dining room. The terrace.
Why do you think it's dirty?
Huh?
Why do you think it's dirty right now?
Creepy?
Dirty!
Oh.
Because...
Because of the rain. Because all the leaves fell down. And here we have the front yard, which you can go down and play with the dog screaming.
Maganda siguro pag umaga na.
And then here we have our my siblings. That one is Kuya Joshua hanging on the tree. That is Kuya JR.
Hindi
Right
ko
there.
makita. Ay, saan? Ay.
Kuya JR right there. And Kuya Lawrence is in the very top, which is the Capri.
Ba't hindi tayo nasa taas? Ay, we can go. Let's go up. Wait!
Here we have the second floor of our house, which you have a view of the road and the person guarding our house. Here we have our rooftop. Oy. Here we have our piña. Why is that open?
May nagpapahangin dyan.
Tabi-tabi po. Tapos naka-arrange. Here we have, ano to? What in the world is, ay, ano to? Ito na may sabaw.
No.
Is
Let's
this
go na.
true?
Let's go.
Okay guys, we are selling this house for 10 million. Please contact us.
Say bye.
Bye-bye! We have a clear view of Kuya Josh.